Hello and welcome to this short tutorial how to create a loop in Visual Components by using EWAB parts. First, from the library we are picking the parts we need, which is a modular stand, a small curve, a workpiece carrier, a single track and a motor station. First we are selecting the modular stand and adjusting the values to our needs. Then we select all the line parts and adjusting the height value according to what we have in the modular stand for easier snapping. We can check the conveyor speed. In this example, we are choosing 12 meters per minute. The single track should be a bit longer. I think 2.5 meters should do it. The next step is to connect the single track to the modular stand. Then we can also select the curve and can connect that to the modular stand and the single track. The single track can be copied for the other side. Sometimes it's better to rotate it 180 degrees for better snapping. Then we can connect the other line to the curve as well. And now in the last step, we can copy over the curve, also rotate it 180 degrees for better snapping, and connect it to our line. So theoretically the line is done, but the middle is a bit empty, so we are copying over the modular stand and adjusting that into the middle. The top view is best for that, to align the modular stand at the middle of the line. Next up, we connect the motor station below our line. All the parts are snapping together. All parts can be adjusted afterwards. Next, to have something moving, we are creating a feeder process from the library. And we can connect the feeder process to every line part, every single track, or every curve. You can see that the feeder is connected to the line with the green indicator arrow. And we are changing the value of the limit, with 5 would be enough in this example. And we need to adjust first the product, because we would like to have our workpiece carrier and not the can. And second, we need to adjust the process, because for the moment we are going to the next process, and in this example, instead of the next process, we will go from the destination to the component container. So that is everything we need to do. Now, when we are pressing the play button, then you can see that we have our workpiece carriers running on our line parts. This is just a first tutorial. In the next tutorials, we will learn how to create a bit more complex scene with a bit more flow, and we will learn how to attach parts on our workpiece carriers, doing loading and unloading. Thank you so far. Bye bye.